I did it. Alright. Hello everyone, my name is JC, and welcome to Turbo Warp. I'm here with my friend Benji, say hi.
Hello Zards chat.
And I am going to be coding my video game battle tracks in front of you all. So I hope you all enjoy watching me do this. And I will just be doing some UI work. If you chatters would like to talk to me while I work, I can be more of use to, let you watch. So, without further ado, I should get started. Unfortunately, I do not have any music for this stream, so you'll have to handle this in silence. I will be listening to my music in the background, but I'm pretty sure you won't be able to hear it. Oh, I keep messing up my buttons. Okay. 1, Zard. Oh, Numlock. There you go. Okay, here we go. I will be right back, and then I will get started. But I hope you all enjoy the stream. I am back. Yes, let's get coding. So, for the first step of my program, I will be developing the main menu of my game. I've already done all the video game parts, so I unfortunately can't show that. But I will be developing the buttons and such. And you're free to chat with me while I do this. Alright, here we go. I've reset my music. Here we go. Let's start. Alright, we need some displays. There we go. Now we've got a display. Let's give it a border. Let's use a wider background so I can see it better. That's a good transparency. We will double layer the surface of this one, so now it's more subtle. So it's gonna be more subtle edge on here. So let's turn this up to 35. That should be a good starting point. There, that should be a good basic display until I make it look better. I'm gonna remember if I press a button on here, it's gonna change my face, so I gotta keep that in mind. Oh, yeah, timer, of course. Hey Benji, set a timer.
Okay then. How long should I do it?
Let's go for an hour. See how that goes.
Okay, it is starting in 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright then, we're begun. So we need text. So let's get Rubbermato. Rubbermano. Nice solid green. I can fancy up the text later. I should also probably develop a tutorial for this game. There we go. Oops. That's way too separated. I'll just do it in 2 separate lines. There you go. I'll do it. I'll be damned. Hold on. There you go. Everyone should hear the music. If I get copyright strike, I'll know not to use this again. You should all have sound now of my music. At the decibel I like to listen it to. No, can't do that. No, or... There you go. Just wanted a little personality, that's all. Oh, I should also name it. There you go, that works. So let's make a statement so that way it doesn't appear at the start. And then when you become a clone, you show up. Cool. Now let's make a little base system. So 75, and then just drop it every 50. Ta-da! There you go! A list of buttons. Make them fancier later. So there you go. If you hear me slurp or something, I have a Milo with me to warm me up. It's a bit cold here. Alright, now let's get them all to do something. So let's do the hover system. I should probably put this in the second form of ID. There you go. Alright. So now if button ID equals nothing, set the button ID to your name. And if you're not, set the ghost to 0. Oh no, set the brightness to 0. But set it to 25% brightness when you're clicked. And if this is that, and you are no longer being touched, then set it back to blank. And then it would reset. Oh, because it's getting reset by this. I could just make that as a wait condition instead. Check it out! Now I got a button system. Now I need to give them functions. There we go. I probably shouldn't set it to instance, so let's leave that to separation. So now, if you are this sprite, you will do this thing, which should help it. Oh, hello! Welcome in. I'm doing good, thank you. Ah, excuse the face. It changes when I type numbers. Yeah, I'm a new streamer. I'm just doing some, coding. I've never done this, but I've played games in front of people, it's not code video games. Thank you. The scrolling background and Benji is what I've made. The art is all thanks to my best friend, Nico. I like playing Splatoon. I also like doing, like, skill-based games. It's kind of hard to say what I'm into right now, but, if you look at my, categories, you'll be able to see what some of my things I like to do. So, I also like chill games, like, I don't know, Stardew Valley or something. Stuff like that. So, you know, fun. No, not really. But Nico really likes horror games. He's the one who gets me to do that kind of stuff. But I do like certain horror games, like Phasmophobia. I like that one. Or Repo. Repo is a good one as well. I need the fading thing now. Phasmophobia and Dead by Daylight. Yeah, those are good games. I've seen people play Dead by Daylight, but not much else. Where is my screen? No. Oh, what was it called again? Screen. No. I'm just going to scroll for it. I have a YouTube channel named CoGames, if you want to have a look at that. It's one of the text things that display. For other things, I also make books, but I don't really talk about it much. What else? I like making board games too. I want to be an author, but I just can't share my books. I'm just too nervous. Worried my style of writing books is different. Canvas effects. I just spelled canvas wrong. Okay. Brightness. Nico Goober did. He's my best friend, the co-owner of CoGames. There you go. Now we'll fix it. And now I just need the game to close when it actually does that. Visual updates for this game, question mark? About my stream. Well, personally, I would like to have a customized background. Or, you know, to make me and Benji look better. But other than that, I'm quite satisfied with the way I have it. There was supposed to be like a blur thing over here, but I haven't developed it yet because this is my first time doing stream stuff. But yeah, the custom background's also made by Nico. It's like a retro like carpet thing you would see in arcades. I thought it would be a cool design to let scroll behind my screen. Yeah, here's the YouTube one. If you want to go to our YouTube, it's that. The orange person with the antennas is him. I'm the dragon, of course. So there you go. Mike. Yeah, there you go. See, the flag turned off, so the game just closed. Awesome. I'll just have to make sure to close the window when it actually happens. Because this will just trigger the game to freeze, but not actually do anything. If I could just get the command inside the embed to close when that runs, then everything will just close. Which will be perfect for the quit button. Now, let's try the full game button, which is making it open the itch website for the thing. Which I don't have ready yet, so I'll have to wait. So, open. Yeah, it does work like that. Awesome. So, user JC game battle tracks. And that could be set to the full button, but the web page isn't open, so I can't really test it yet. Oh, you do some models. That's cool. Oh, hold on. Hey Benji, turn on TwitchBot. Hey Benji, if I could say it. Hey Benji, turn on TwitchBot. This is not funny. Hey Benji, turn on TwitchBot.
Turning on TwitchBot.
Thank you.
It is ready.
My mic's peaking a bit. I apologize. There you go. It should be a little less powerful. Sorry about that. Okay. Now that TwitchBot is active, if you want, here's my Discord. Feel free to send a request and you'll be able to, I'll be able to see your stuff. Alright, full game. Poke. That's good. So, and I press this and press allow. Yes, it opens the page. Awesome. Thank you for the assist on my thing. There, I got your friend request. Alright, just vanish, question mark? You might need to send it again. Yeah, the Discord bugged, I think. You might need to send it again. It popped up, it showed up my things, but it doesn't work. Ah, hold on. Let me look at this. Yeah, it's trying to call you out as like a spam person. I figured it out. There you go. You're accepted now. Yeah, that's fine. And also, please understand there is a game Twitch rule that you're not allowed to make suggestions in my game. So please leave it to me. All right, go ahead and send your pictures, and I'll actually comment on it. Oh, you're a PNG tuber as well. That's cool. And I've seen you've been around for a year. That's nice. I would check out your stuff right now, but I'm a bit busy. Alright. I gotta get back to the game because that's the whole point. Hey Benji, how much time is left?
Your current time left is 39.8 minutes.
Cool. Yeah, no worries. We can chat later. Now, next one would be the buttons actually function. So, let me open up my Trello and let's see what my next task is. So, main menu is somewhat done, but I'll leave that there. Oh, my next task would be to make save files for real. Alright, I think I should stop making the save files. Alright. So, close the game. And I will reset my save file. So, no more Mr. Awesome Turbo thingy. Back to low-end stuff. Done. Now let's actually start setting up save files. Local storage, there it is. Alright, now for safety, I will be hiding the screen for just a moment. I will have to make a namespace that you guys will not be able to see, or else you'll be able to hack my game and ruin it. So, give me a second while I make it. Huh?
Rachel_E joined the flight.
Oh, thank you for joining. I'm glad you're wanting to hang out with us. There we go. You won't be able to see it because this is in the way, and you cannot read it because the namespace is way too long. You can't even read the rest of it. So in other words, we're safe. Also, the display thing for my things are very small for some reason. Hold on. I'll have to fix that later. Anyways,
Bark.
someone make Benji bark, really? Yeah, someone made Benji bark. Lol. But hey, this officially makes it that we're at 10. Let's go. So now I'm officially 2/5 of the way there. So that's awesome. Now, let's not get distracted. Let's actually set up the save files. There we go. And then I will need to go to JSON and do that. Don't know what you're talking about, hides button. Yeah, I have no idea what you're talking about. Hides behind his wing. So I need to set list to the score of save folder. And so when I do that, ta-da, the save folder is here. Do that at the very start. And ta-da, we've officially done a save file. And now I just need to make a trigger of what to save. So let's make a trigger for saving. Wait, no, this is to load, dummy. This is to save. All right. There you go. Now we have a save file. Yeah. This is actually quite relaxing. I'm very chill right now. So now that's save file, so I'll go take that off. Make save files for real. Done. Make main menu. Somewhat done, but I'll sprucing that up later. Alright, the next task is to make settings so I can make the numbers change correctly. Now, I had a cool idea. When I was making the bars, there's this little like edge piece. I'm thinking of doing a special scaling system that will shrink it to the right and to the left to show the growing progression of the scale. So it actually looks like a volume bar. You know, like in like those old retro games with the sections. And then all I gotta do is trigger this every time I update it. Which would be simple enough. And then when you leave the settings, your controls save. So let's get started, shall we? So first off, we need the subsection of options. So now, options, back. All right. So now we have the sub options. Now let's make a nice little like graphic. There you go. That should be enough, and then this can be the in-between. Everyone can see the symbol now, right? It's an arrow. Just like I do the smiley face. Ta-da! There you go. Now it looks
It's
like a back
halftime.
button. Oh, wow. Time's going fast. Alright, so now I have a back button. Let's try and toggle between options and the back button. So first off, we need a clear button. So we need to make a clear main menu button. Hold on. Rename left. And let's make a right direction as well. Because I want it to slide to the left and to the right. So like it goes here and then goes this way and goes like that. Something like that. Gonna have a little break so I don't overthink, because my brain gets a little hot when I get invested. Literally, I could put my hand on my head and it like burns up, so I gotta be somewhat careful. Alright, now I've had a break, let's get back to it. So let's get tweening. Let's get the X position to, since this is over here, you can see this little number up here, that's my mouse position. If I put my mouse over here, it's 240. So since these are also 240 long, we just need to double that and a bit extra. So negative 500 sounds great. And that means positive 500 is perfect this way. Whoops. Excuse me. Sign. And now if I say the buttons will trigger the left and then get them to delete when this happens. And ta-da, you can see all the clones vanish. But just to make it a little bit more alive, Now, that does make it look a little more interesting, but it's not really that much. I'll figure something out to make that look more interesting. Cool. So those don't work. I'll have to figure something else there for it as well. Okay, so now they're moving and deleting, which is a basic framer, because I know if I spam click it, it's just gonna duplicate the same action.
Chat says, oh, fresh code. Nom nom nom.
Hey, Benji, do not eat my code, bad dog. Hey, Benji, bad dog.
I'm so sorry. Please don't be mad, Zard.
No eating my code. Bad dog. Naughty. Grr. I can't let him eat my code. I can't. I'm glad you like that, Leo. I have no idea. It's suspicious that a redeem for 250 bubbles has made Benji say that, but I can't put my finger on who did it. It's probably just a fluke or something. I don't know. Who knows what could happen? Wink, wink. I like it when people redeem like that. It's just funny. I'm glad people do that. Alright, now that's all left and right. We need to make it spawn all the options. So, I need to make a quick spawn. So I'll need to do options back and then clone that, and also make sure it resets back to its original form when it's done. Make a clone. Alright, and then oopsies. Now this is in. I want it to fade in so it doesn't look sudden. Now, since I am playing with the numbers of the FES, it will never be the same in multiple FES variants. So, here's a cool little trick for you. So get a division block and go to runtime options and get the amount of frames you get. In this case, it's 30. Now, when you're testing your game, you want a baseline of what you want to work. Since I always run at 30 FPS, I will do it there. So, I'll do 30 as my base. So that means it is 1, because it's 30 and 30 equals 30. All at 1. And then you want to multiply or divide by the divisionary of the object. For example, since I need more rounds to cover the amount of frames, I need to times the 10 over itself. So it'll be 20 if it's 60 FPS, and it'll be 10 if there's normal, and 5 if there's less, to handle the dislodgement of movement. And now if I just change the ghost by -10. But wait, there's more. Since I am now doing this, if there's more frames, it'll just go the same speed and hence not look the same speed. So to counter this, you'll need to do a divisionary on -10. So that way you'll be able to get the division of that. So you'll get 20 frames over 5. That way it will do the exact amount to make it look the same, but smoother. You get what I'm catching? It's to make the FES change without actual change, you know? And hence, when I start the game, it now fades very beautifully, and then does that. And let's do a little pause at the start. 0.5 will do nicely. See? Now it's half the percentage, you'll be able to do this. So. See, it's already looking nicer already. Now, let's get the next divisionary, which is options / back. I should also record where the starting position of the objects are to make life easier. And now, if I add a sub layer to here, say for example, since when I create this, if we do 75 to 25, negative 25, and then negative 75, and the last one is just cancelled out into negative 125. If I go and set this to negative 125, it should reset from here. It didn't work. Hold on. No, you're being a bad computer. That is definitely not the position. Why is it doing that? Oh, I'm doing the wrong thing. Dummy, dummy, dum dum. There. Now when you do this, we go to the right. And instead of doing this, because that's being replaced very quickly, we will grab the entire code of this and modify it so that way it works in one frame. So set that there, chop, options, credits, full game, quit. Check it out, it's back and forth now. Now, you may notice at the start, everything starts bright. I understand the issue already. Is the brightness already being set to the max? See? Ta-da. Alright, fix that issue. And now I have a whole new menu to mess with. So let's make the audio sounds. So we need a audio button. That does not look like a music note. Alright, I need to look up a music note so I have a reference. Image. I want that one. So let's not use this. So I need this. And this. Nice. Well, at least it's better than my first attempt. That's better. There we go. Nice little, like, picture thingy. This little picture reference from Raw Pixel is great. Alright, next one, which will be graphics. Which I'll simplify as video for the users. Can't really have music notes as my display, so. There you go. Nice little simple picture for a video. And then what else? Extras. Cool. Hey Benji, how much time is left?
Your current time left is 10.9 minutes.
Sounds good. Hey Benji, good boy.
Wow, really? Thanks, Zard.
You deserve it. Well, instead of calling me a bloody, like trying to eat my code, savage little bullet dog. Alright, distracted. Yeah, they're not even. I'll just do roughly the middle, nothing more. That should be nice. Now let's get it all to load. It should be sound, graphics, extra, back. So I should rearrange them. Sound, video, extra. Awesome. So if I do this one now. Boom. Look at that! Wahaha! There you go.
That sweet refrain all night long.
I should probably wait a little bit longer. 0.75. Maybe a little shorter, so let's try 1.6. If any at all. 6.
It is done. Your final time is not seconds.
I forgot about that. Whoops. Okay, just press 6 over here. Because I can't seem to double... Okay, to clarify, when I double press 6, it does this.
It is done. Your final time is not set seconds.
That is my bloody stopwatch. I forgot about that. So let's get back to it, shall we? So I do enjoy this closeness very much. So, yo chat, which one should I develop first? Sound, video, or extra? Extras will be the side things, as sound and video would be, well, they explain themselves. Which one should I go first, first, chat? English. I can't say it, apparently. Might as well bring you guys in here a little bit. I'll take your silence as there's no decision. I guess I'll go sound first. Sound sounds great. There we go. Oh, I was asking on which one I should go for, which is sound, video, or extra. Like which one to develop first. Oh, my bloody Milo ran out. Boo. Alright then. That sounds cool. I can do that. Hey Benji, how much time is left?
Your current time left is 4.2 minutes.
Ah, we're almost done. There we go. Hmm. There we go. See what I meant by the volume bar? All I gotta do is copy this into a different size. There we go.
10, 9, 8,
And there it goes.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up.
This has to go to the left. This should go down by 10. Nope, it was 25 like I expected it to be. No, too far. 20. Yeah, that will do. And then just get rid of this one, so do 30 instead. And what do you get? Oh god, it's flat again. Which is like this. Ta-da! Now, I need to get the volume bar to not be touched. So, if the ID equals go back to here, go to sound, grab this name. It's easier to copy and paste it than to type. Do that. If you are volume bar, then so all I gotta do, oh right, the sound thing. I'll do this for the feature. Title, main menu. Set the size to volume and forever do this. Does delete it, of course. So the end of this is 44. So I just need to change the X by size. So 29, linear, in and out. If 100 means 0, the true negative is 45. And apply that to size. Then set that as my X position. And then keep doing that forever. I see. Set, yeah, save data check is not in here. Let's try that again, shall we? There you go, full bar. Now, hypothetically, when you would change it, let's set to 50, 25, 75, 100. See? Nice little grow and changes. But instead of setting the size, I'll now change it from this number to size. Divide that by 2. And then, of course, set the differentiator to double this size depending on frame rate. So it's actually the same with speed on all categories. And then I'll go to reset. And now, if I twist the number, it should glide to it instead. Check it out. Now I just need to lighten it up a little by doing it to say like 10. $25. Ta-da! How cool is that? Alright. Well, unfortunately, that is the end of the stream. That was an end of the stream like 12 minutes ago. But yeah. I thank you all for watching this little coding video of mine. If you did enjoy this, please let me know down below. And of course, I'll see you when I do. Bye. Benji, you've got anything to say to this?
Bark.